At the GSK Human Performance Lab, we're working with elite partners to undertake cutting-edge research and development to break through the limits of human performance. In this episode, we'll talk about the role of protein in muscle growth and development. Gaining muscle mass requires high-intensity training, typically resistance training, and adequate protein intake to maximize muscle protein synthesis.
I'm working with Rach and Pippa, exploring greater muscle adaptation to resistance training. Our aim is that this will lead to a better understanding of the optimum training programs for athletes and more effective protein solutions to support muscle growth.
So, what triggers muscle growth? The stress imposed by physical training stimulates a myriad of responses. These responses include the stimulation of growth factors and satellite cells to proliferate and differentiate. This results in fusion with muscle cells and donation of their nuclei, which provides the cells with the opportunity to grow. Essentially, muscle growth or hypertrophy is the body's biological response to damage. This leads to the repair or replacement of damaged muscle fibers, which often leads to an increase in the fiber cross-sectional area. And this is where protein comes in. We're investigating the extent to which complete proteins, particularly those that are rich in leucine, maximize muscle protein synthesis, leading to the repair and regeneration of muscle fibers. Studies show that regular protein intake across the day increases muscle protein synthesis. The first step to muscle growth is to stress the muscle through training. The second step of building muscle is to feed with adequate high-quality protein. Not only the total amount, but the distribution of your protein intake is important to support peak muscle mass. Personalizing your intake allows you to maximize performance and muscle mass gains. The new research that we're carrying out here at the GSK Human Performance Lab will deepen our understanding of the role protein intake plays in muscle growth.